I think what makes our engineering team unique is that they actually have opinions on what the product should look like and do. They know the customer pain. They're not just picking up tickets. They're looking at the outcome that we need to get to and driving towards that with a pretty intense velocity.
What problems does the engineering team work on?
The problem we're solving at Omnea is huge. Procurement automation with AI built in has not been solved by any means by anyone.
When it comes to AI, we're being very intentional about how we put it into our platform.
It's very easy to get caught up in the AI hype. At Omnea, we've really taken it back to first principles and thought about what do our customers need,
and making sure that it solves real problems for our users versus just shoving it in because it might look cool.
What's the engineering team like?
Every engineer here, they've met such a high bar and somehow have managed to maintain an exceptionally low ego.
Every engineer at Omnea is kind of above the level of the best engineer that I've ever worked with.
We really tackle huge problems, but we do it together. And if you get stuck, like I've gotten stuck, anyone can help, and we're all willing to pitch in.
You can go up to literally any engineer. You can kind of almost guarantee that there will be an engineer in the room that is an expert on what you need to know.
What's it like at Omnea?
There's something special about the size of company and the electricity you get when you're in office. You walk in and there's the buzz, right?
Engineers are very close to customers here. It's one of the reasons I knew this was going to be a good fit for me.
It'd be very hard for us to be as effective as we are if we didn't have that time with customers.
You're involved in the early stages of planning, talking to product, working with design. We go so quickly from ideas all the way to production.
What kind of engineer thrives at Omnea?
The kind of engineer that would thrive at Omnea is one who wants high ownership, high responsibility.
Our engineers are really commercial. There's nobody who comes in who just wants to sit and code.
You get given a lot of autonomy and ownership. It's not the sort of place that you get flung over a Jira ticket.
We have a bias towards action, and you need to be comfortable pushing forward.
What makes engineering at Omnea unique?
The thing that's unique here that I've seen is the quality bar.
Yeah, the engineering environment at Omnia is different to anything I've ever worked in before.
Craft at speed, like moving quickly. I actually came to Omnia because I wanted to ship things quickly.
I think, I've worked at companies in the past which have fast in their values, but this is really something else. Don't be surprised if you're shipping code to production day one.